Hello everyone. So let's today we'll discuss the basics things. Okay, I mean it will really informative for who are the beginners of in SAP technologies. Okay, so we will discuss today how basically what are the basics screens. Okay, and while login into the and what are the features. Okay, about this screen and basic things we will discuss. It will very informative for the phrases or like a new students and all. Okay, so let's we'll discuss. Okay, now if you will have into the in your system, okay, your particular SAP servers, okay, and make sure you have already installed it and do you and you have all this access in your systems. Okay, so let's double click on SAP GUI. Okay, you will see here already we will have SSM all module. Okay, so it is already connected. Okay, everything's okay. Now just double click on this. Okay, once double click you will have the first window here. So you will have a here client already there. Okay, now you will have to give the your user ID. Okay, so I am giving here the password as well. Yes. Now you can see successful. Okay, login here in this initial screen. Okay, this is a very initial screen. Okay, now here you can see if you click here, you will see the detail here. Okay, so what is the meaning here? You can see if you click over here, you will see system number. Okay, client number, your user, and then the initial program. Okay, and this is the initial transactions. Okay, and what is the response time? You can see macroseconds. Okay, interrupted, all that is there here, so all the detail over here. Okay, so this is the use. If you want to don't know information, you can just close it. Okay, or just you can see it. Okay, so this is how the basic things you should aware. Now we'll go for the detail like the basics screens. Okay, how we can check it. Let's help if you want any kind of help. Okay, see here help portal. If you click over here, okay, you can start. Okay, seeing the help, like see automatically is going to help. It will asking. Okay, so we will ask later. Okay, so this is the basic things automatically will go for, and it will you can search. Okay, for the help. So this is the we will have a search options. Okay, even if you'll go here support. Okay, something SAP related support. Okay, you can have some support message, some settings also there. If you want some setting, you can do it. So this is the basically the menu bar. Okay, now you can see here there are so many buttons are there, you can see here. Okay, so this is basically for printing purpose. Okay, and this is a searching purpose, find. Okay, and this is the HH plus find next. Okay, and this is the like first page, next page. Okay, and previous page, these are the all the options are there. Okay, even you can see GUI new. If you would like to new sessions, okay, maximum it would be 6 session. Okay, you can create, like I'll show you. Okay, new. Okay, it will open new. You can see this is a new window. Okay, if you again you want to new, you can click here new. See new again. Okay, so maximum 6 windows similar you can open like this. See again. Okay, this is the one options. Okay, another option /n. /n, that means another window, new window. See like this. So similarly, okay, you can go for again n. You can see again it will open again n. So you want able to the more than 6. If you click here, it will not allowed. See, if you see, it is not allowed. Okay, not more than it is. Okay, it will not allow the more than 6 windows. Okay, so this is how basically, okay, you can open the 6 windows. Okay, so this is the one of the okay windows. Okay, now you can see here we will have more options like customize something. Okay, so once done this one, you can see this is a very SAP easy access. Okay, so now you can see this SAP menu. Okay, under this menu you will have the all module SEC module like logistics, accounting, okay, human resource, okay, everything, all tools are available. So based on your requirements, so you can check over on this. Even favorite, okay, whatever the here you can see these are the favorite. Okay, if you want to add something under favorite on your, you can add over here. Okay, so these are the basic screen we can see it. Okay, and these are the basics menu, and these are the basic toolbar. Okay, so this is the basic things. Okay, now let's go into the and under systems. Okay, so depend upon how you can go into the using T codes. Okay, so we will have a T code. Let's see example SC11. Okay, SC11 used for the table purpose. Okay, okay, you can see. Let's see, I'm going a Mara table. Okay, this is the system defined already table. Okay, you can click and display here. See, like this. Okay, if you click here, if you want to check the data on this, you can see entry. Okay, we will have. If you want to, okay, see all the entries are over here. Okay, now here you can see if you want to change something here. So let's here, if you want something layout, some changes the layout, go to setting, parameter. Now you can change the field. I would like to ALV grid display, right? So if you done it, these settings, now you can see how it would reflect. See, like this. Okay. So depend upon your requirement, you can do and check it. So this is a simple things. Okay. I would like to tell you here. Okay, similarly, if you have another T code /n or /o, okay, is the another window. Okay, directly S16. Okay, I would like to see the table like similar way. Okay, like Mara again. If you want to check, so this is how we can go and check the different table. Okay, if you would like to uh, write a program, you can go SE38. Okay, similar way you will come into SE37s for job monitoring. Okay, you can monitor the job. Currently there is no jobs running, so like this. Okay, depend upon your requirement, it would be easier for you to do it. So these are the basically we have the basic things or initial screen. Okay, for your beginners. Okay, please do follow me. Okay, and wait for the next video. Please do subscribe for more. Okay, for this one. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Bye.